Now I can replace all these two remote controls with this one, the SofaBaton U2. So let's turn on the TV. Cool. Now let's turn on my fan. And while I'm watching TV and with the fan, now let's clean the room. Or I can pause it. This one is amazing. Tired of juggling remotes? Today we're testing the SofaBaton U2 to see if one remote can really control it all. Let's check it out. Okay, and this is the SofaBaton U2. The model is the U2. It comes with the manual, batteries, and the remote. It has numbers, arrows for the volume. It has everything. The on and off button and this wheel. So right now, let's download the app to make it work. And after that, we're gonna test it on the TV. Let's do it. Okay, now it's time to add the devices and connect the remote to the app. So it says in here, connect to SofaBaton app right here. So for that, we need to download the app. It's the SofaBaton app. All right. So first open the app and then you have to select what device are you using, the U series. And then it says, hit these two buttons on the bottom, this one. Pairing, connect. So it's not connected to the app. And then we can add the device right there. It says add. Okay, first I'm gonna add a fan that I have. So let's click add. And then this is an infrared remote, not a Bluetooth. Infrared. You can search on the database, but this one, it's already infrared. Let's put infrared. So says you have to put this one like this and then this one like this. All right, so next, and now you can select what buttons do you want these buttons to work on the remote. Okay, so this one has circle and this one I'm gonna use the ones in the center. So the top one I'm gonna use this one, so you have to do it like this. Oh, successful. Amazing. Okay, now the one on the bottom. Successful, man. And now this one. Oh, let me put it here. Which one? So I have this one. Ready. Next, let's call it fan. Fan. Done. And then doesn't have too many icons, so let's put the circle. Next. So the first one is done. Okay, now I'm gonna add this robot vacuum. It has a remote. Let's add this one. Let's click add. Infrared, infrared, and then you have to put the remotes like this. Next. Okay, so now same thing. These arrows, I'm gonna use the arrows in the remote. With this one. Successful. So this one is ready, and then next, robo back. And then for the device, the circle again. Next. Cool. We have two already. All right. Okay, now it's time to add a TV. I have a small TV, Insignia TV, that I use on my office. So now let's add it. This one, let's see if it's on the list. It's infrared. Let's go with infrared, search database. Let's see. Yeah. Right here, Insignia, and then the model. You can find the model number at the back of your TV. It's a 24-inch number, but let's see if this one. Click next. Insignia TV, complete. Downloading library. Please ensure phone's Bluetooth remains connected. Okay, it's downloading to the remote. It's ready, complete. So now we have the fan, my robot vacuum, and my TV. So now it's time to test it. Let's see it. So the remote is amazing and works perfectly. In the top, this one, you can select what device do you want to use. So instead I want to use my TV, I can turn it off. I can turn it off right there. And then I can select the fan and turn it on. Amazing. And there's no limit of devices. You can add a lot of devices. Now this one, select the robot vacuum and then put it play. Whoa. Look at that. Let's pause it. So it is amazing. It works great. so you can put as many devices as you want, and with one remote you can control everything in your house. Okay, the only thing, if you lose the remote, everything will be gone, but other than that, everything is good. So let's put the fan and turn it off. Or let's turn on the TV. Let's turn on the TV. And amazing. Or let's turn it off. Cool. So it is amazing. Overall, the SofaBaton U2 is a great solution if you are tired of juggling multiple remotes but don't want to spend hundreds on something like the Harmony Elite. For the price, it gets the job done and makes movie nights a lot simpler. If you found this helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech reviews, and drop a comment if you tried the U2 or are you considering picking one up. Thanks for watching, God bless you, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.